so I'm gonna get ready for a college party. So yeah, I'm trying to do my hair and I'm laying it down right now, so yeah. And this hair is from like Hair and Beauty. I really like it so far. Like, I just made this wig today and literally it was like so soft and like really easy to work with. I have 4 bundles in of 28 inches and then I have in a 20-inch frontal. And this is their body wave hair, so yeah. I'm gonna do this and I got a new flat iron, so hopefully we can make this work. I have like a problem area like now, like my this area right here, like my upper lip is like, it be breaking out, like the makeup be breaking up. I'm trying to figure out what I can do to like basically fix that. But yeah, I already did my eyebrows, so yeah. And then I got my nails like really short. I already messed them up because they're like, what is it called? They're just regular polish and not gel, because they were doing too much, trying to charge you $12 for gel, and I was like, no. Next, I'm gonna take my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I'm gonna go in and like really, I'm gonna focus it right here, because I just don't like when my makeup breaks up like that. But yeah, I've been trying to go out more, like to these little parties. I feel like I'm just too close. I've been trying to go out to these little parties more to like try to meet more people and be more active on my campus. And I feel like it's been working. Like now I know more people and stuff. I just don't really enjoy parties like that because it just be like, whoa, like, you know, I'm not really a party person. So yeah, I never really was like able to go to so many parties growing up anyway. So. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Born This Way concealer. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and I'm just gonna go right underneath. This concealer is honestly like really bomb. And this shade is in, what shade is this? This is in Hazelnut. So yeah, just want to blend it out with my foundation brush. But yeah, college is like very much an adventure, and I don't know why I'm just like worried about what I'm gonna do after college. Kind of, I'm just trying to make sure like my platform and like the bag is kind of established like right now, and I want it like right now. Okay. I want it to be established as soon as possible. So yeah. Oh my god, and I started watching Scandal. Like, I finished How to Get Away with Murder, and then now I'm watching like Scandal and stuff. I usually only watch it like when I'm making wigs. Now I'm just gonna blend out the like bottom part with my beauty blender. I haven't used this in actually like a really long time. I usually just use my Sonia Kashuk one, but this one's like way softer, so I actually enjoy this. And I hope you guys like enjoying now. Like, I'm filming way more, so don't even get on me. I'm trying to film like whenever I have a break or something from school, because I literally have fall break right now. It's like, I've never heard of that before, but I'm not complaining. So it's kind of just like a 5-day weekend, because we have no school today, which is Thursday, and then yeah, like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Then we go back to school on Monday. So yeah, it's litty. And it's homecoming weekend, so I'm definitely gonna film like a homecoming, like get ready with me, and then like do a vlog, because apparently like a lot of people like my like USC videos, because you guys get to see like an experience kind of from like the black perspective a little bit, which I'm so glad that I can provide that for y'all. Like, that's cool to me. Now I'm gonna go on my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and just take a little bit of this, like the littlest bit, because this goes a very, very long way. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna keep packing on the powder and go over top. This is like my problem area, so yeah, just gonna keep packing. Now I'm just gonna wipe away the powder from all the areas. And I feel like I have like a lot of makeup, but I just don't use most of it. So I'm trying to start using different things. So now I'm just like stuck in using the same products, and I just want to like venture out. I'm gonna go with this like NYX Lingerie palette, and I'm just gonna take this orangey shade and just like basically blend some shadow in my crease. Nothing too serious. And I want to take my Stila, the like dark one, and then just carve out my nose. Just this part, because I just feel like it's a mustache low key, but that's probably why. But listen, if I keep shaving it, isn't it gonna grow back thick? So I don't know what to do.
Than Nigerian hair, my criteria compared to your career just isn't fair. I'm a venereal disease, like a menstrual bleed through the pencil and leak on the sheet of the tablet in my mind. Cause I don't write shit, cause I ain't got my second minutes, hours go to the almighty dollar in the almighty power of that chopper. Sister, brother, son, daughter, father, motherfucker, copper. Got the Maserati dancing on the bridge, pussy poppin', tell a coppers, ha 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 ha. You can't catch them, you can't stop them. I go by them goon rules. If you can't beat them, then you perform. Can't man them, then you mop them.
Okay, for the rest of the video, it's kind of just gonna be like a time lapse, whatever. But I'm gonna use this new flat iron that I got because yeah, it's just a little bit noisy here. So this is the one I got. It was $20, I think. Yeah, it was on sale for $20. So hopefully it works good because my flat iron's kind of like booty. So yeah, and I got it from Target. So yeah, this one's from the beauty supply store though. So hopefully it's good. I think my mom used this one. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm gonna put the lashes on that I have too, and then straighten my hair. So yeah, let's just roll the clip.
You ain't scaring nothing on some faggot bullshit. Call them in this rhyming. Call me with your own beach. Call me on my sidekick. Never answer when it's private. Damn, I hate a shy bitch. Don't you hate a shy bitch? Yeah, I hate a shy bitch. She ain't shy no more. She changed her name to my bitch. Yeah, nigga, that's my bitch. So when she asks for the money, when you through, don't be surprised, bitch. And it ain't trickin' if you got it. But you like a bitch with no ass, you ain't got shit. Motherfucker, I'm ill, not sick. And I'm okay, but my watch sick. Yeah, my drop sick. Yeah, my Glock sick. And my knot thick. I'm ill. Motherfucker, I'm ill. Right with it, I'ma get right with it. Bad bitches, fuck 'em, then dismiss 'em. Bam. I ain't really here to take no pictures. Middle finger up, fuck the system. Fuck 'em. Yeah, who is robotic? I ain't touching. No, looking at your whole shit bustin'. Woo, ride in that coupe with the wings. Going to the land with them chains. Percocet party serving fiends. Sweater got my blood with Vietnamese. Alabama drugs, rap 'em please. Rap serving all day, my gas on E. Let's go. 30 hollow tips in the stendo.
Okay, I think I'm just gonna keep it like this because this looks really, really pretty, and I was gonna straighten and everything, but you just saw me like the top.
Hold up, get right with you. I'ma get right with you. Bad bitches, fuck 'em, then dismiss 'em. Bam. I ain't really here to take no pictures. Middle finger up for the system. Fuck 'em. Hold up, get right with you. I'ma get right with you. Bad bitches, fuck 'em, then dismiss 'em. Bam. I ain't really here to take no pictures. Middle finger up for the system. Fuck 'em. Get right with you. I'ma get right with you. Wow. Get right with you. I'ma get right with you. Hold up. Get right with you. I'ma get right with you.
I'll take this NYX Lip Lingerie in After Hours. And I'm gonna take this Smashbox liquid lipstick. Wait, what is it? Got a Light. Okay, this is the finished look, y'all. I think it looks so cute. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to check out the links to the hair down below. Obviously, it's really gorgeous. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my social media links. They'll be down below. Yeah, see you next time.